In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play two players on one TV here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, setting up split screen works on any console and on any TV or monitor. What you're going to want to do is sign into your main account and get loaded into Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And once you're loaded into Call of Duty Black Ops 7, go ahead and go into multiplayer or zombies. And after doing so, you're going to see a message that says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen on the right hand side of your screen. Once again, it doesn't matter what TV you're using, the step is always going to be the same as long as you're on a PS5 or Xbox. This does not work on PC. Essentially though, all you need to do is just connect your second PS5 or Xbox controller or even a secondary mouse and keyboard and essentially just sign into a different profile. Just keep in mind that second profile also does need to be linked to an Activision account. If it's not, the game is going to automatically ask you to log into an Activision account before joining. Once that is done though, you're going to see an option to press X or A on Xbox to join split screen. Once again on this right hand side, go ahead and press that and the second account is going to load in right away. It's going to pop up in your lobby over by here and they're going to be running around doing this kind of stupid animation. But on top of that, they're going to show up in your party as well. From here, all you have to do is just select find a match. And you can do this from either controller. And essentially, all you got to do is just load into any game mode that does support split screen. Team Deathmatch works, Hardpoint works, Domination works. Really, all the multiplayer game modes work, for being honest. But from here, once you get loaded in, split screen is going to immediately take over. And you'll see player 1 will be up on the top, player 2 will be on the bottom. And once again, this works on any TV, any monitor, and any console. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.